Good morning, student. On last turn I completed exercise 6.3. Now today I am going to start area of similar triangle. Theorem 6.6. Proof of this theorem is deleted but use of this theorem is in exercise 6.4. What is this theorem? Statement the ratio of the area of two similar triangle. This is your ABC and this is your DEF. Triangle, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to ratio of the side squares AB upon DE square, BC upon EF square, AC upon DF square. When the two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas is the ratio of square of their sides. Corresponding sides. This is the statement. We will use this statement and we will do it exercise 6.4. Now see the question number first of exercise 6.4. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF, given side is EF, so it will be BC square upon BC upon EF whole square. Putting the value, triangle ABC is 64 centimeter square, area of triangle DEF is 121 centimeter square. Given that EF is 15.4, that is the whole square. Taking square root, square root of 64 is 8, square root of 121 is 11, their root will be removed, only left BC upon 15.4. Now cross multiply, 11 BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 and BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 upon 11. So 11 1 ja, point, 11 4 ja, 14 8 ja, 112, that is 11.2 centimeter. Now see the second question. Diagonal of trapezium ABCD with AB is equal to, AB is parallel to DC. This is a trapezium AB is parallel to DC and AB is twice of CD. Find the ratio of the area of triangle AOB and COD. This is the diagonals intersect each other at a point O. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle A is equal to angle C, alternate interior angle. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertical opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by AA property. When triangles are similar, their area will be equal to ratio of the side square. So AB upon CD whole square. AB is equal to 2CD. 2CD upon CD whole square, because it is given AB is equal to CD. This CD cancel. So 2 upon 1 square, that is 4:1. Question number 3. In ABC and DBC are two triangles. This is the ABC and DBC with the same base BC. AD intersect BC at O. Show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. So construction, draw perpendicular to BC, DN perpendicular to BC. Proof: in triangle AOM and triangle DON, angle AMO is equal to angle DNO is equal to 90 degree by construction, angle AOM is equal to angle DON, vertical opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AOM similar to triangle DON by AA property. When the triangles are similar, their ratio is so AM upon DN is equal to AO upon DO by CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle DBC, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to half into base into height. Here also half into base into height. This half cancel, BC cancel, so AM upon DN. This is your first, this is your second. By equation 1 and 2, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. Hence proved. See the question number 4. If the area of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. Given that ABC and DEF are the two triangles which are similar. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. To prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB upon DE square, BC upon EF square is equal to AC upon DF square. These areas are equal. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF, which is given. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABC, in place of DEF we will write ABC. AB upon DE square, BC upon EF square, AC upon DF square. This cancel it. AB upon DE whole square is equal to 1, or AB upon DE is equal to 1, or AB is equal to DE. Similarly, BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF. So, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SSS property, hence proved.